guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kandi, and today we are going to be creating this lovely look today by using all of the items I received from my July Ipsy Glam bag. If you are my Kandi babes, thank you so much for coming back and rocking with your girl. I appreciate the love and support, and if you're new, welcome. I got my Ipsy bag in July. When I got the items, I was very surprised on what they were and the colors they were in. Needless to say, I'm not really too fan of this bag this month. However, I did as much as I possibly could to create a look off of the colors that I was given. And let's just, Janet Jackson. Like her. Give me a beat. Okay guys, I am coming at you with a clean. Off camera, I went ahead and washed my face and make sure that I got all the gunk off, and we're gonna go ahead now and exfoliate. We are using the Ahaha Facial Mud Exfoliator. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that all over the face, massage it into the skin. And then once that has been applied, we're going to go ahead and remove the product with a damp towel. Once it has been removed, we're going to go in with my favorite toner right now. This is the Badescu Rose Toner, and we're just going to go ahead and spray that all over the face. Once the spray has been saturated all over the face, we're going to let it air dry, and while we're letting it air dry, we're going to go in now and just do some extensions on my pores. And as you can see, it is super gross, but it's also totally needed. We're now going to go in and moisturize my lips. We're using the Night Lip Treatment from Dermalogica. I really love this sample and this product. It really does juice up the lip. With the moisturizer, we're using the Dermalogica Intense Moisturizer, and we're just going to go ahead again apply that all over the face, so just to make sure that my skin is having this nice healthy glow. Now off camera, I went ahead and completed my eyebrows and also completed one side of my face. So now let's go ahead and jump in and finish this eye. We are going to be using my favorite palette. You know this is the NYX Correct and Seal palette. The main palette we're going to be using today is from the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. So the first shade we're going to go ahead and jump into is Riff. This is a great transition shade. So we're going to go ahead and place it on directly on the crease and then blend it out using windshield wiper motions. Once I have the color payout that I want, we're now going to go into Baja, which is this gorgeous bright orange shade, and we're going to again place that on the crease and then blend that out. Because this is an orange, I am applying it a little heavier just to make sure that the orange payout does come through. And now that I have the color that I want, I'm going to go now and use this Khol pencil. This is from Sugar. This is their light green Khol pencil, and I'm just going to apply that to the lid and then blend that outwards with a brush. And then we're going to jump into the shade Wanderlust and then pat that on directly onto the Khol pencil. Now to give my eyes some definition, we're going to go now into the OFRA Cosmetic eyeshadow. I'm sorry, I don't know the name of it. I can't really find it. But as you can see, it is not swatching very well. And we are also going to be using the same brush from the Ipsy bag, which is the Ipsy Beauty brush. This brush is really nice. It's flat, and I can see myself using this a lot. I apologize, I don't talk about it in the end, but it is a great brush that was included in the bag. So we're going to pack that on the outer corner of my eye, and then we are going to blend that inward. And now to give my crease a little bit more definition, we're going to be using the shade Punk, but a small pencil brush, and we're going to be penciling that in directly into the crease just to make sure the color gets to that area. And then to create more of a smoky effect, we're going to use a fluffier more brush, but we're going to not add any more color. We're just going to spread that same brown shade all over the crease. And then we're going to go back in with Baja, and we're going to re-blend out that Punk shade at the top just so that we have a great radiant effect of color. And then we're going to go back into Wanderlust to make sure that green pops out again. I went ahead and did my wing off camera, And we are applying some lashes. And off camera, I went ahead and finished my face. And now we're going to finish the bottom portion of the eye. We're going to take that same pencil and we're going to place it on the waterline. We are then going to blend that out with a small shader brush, and we're using the shade Baja. Once that has been blended out, we're going to go back in with Baja, but with a more fluffier brush, just to blend out that shade a little bit more. And then we're going to go back into Punk to create that more smoky effect. Once that's done, we're going to place some mascara. And now it's time to hop on to the lips. We're going to be using the NYX Espresso lip pencil and lining the lips. And to fill in the outer corner of my lips, we're going to be using Downtown Beauty, which is also from NYX Cosmetics. Fill in the middle portion of my lips, we're going to be using the lipstick which came in the bag, which is half caked. This is their liquid lipstick, Girl Crush. And we're blending that out with my finger. Then we're going to re-add more of Downtown Beauty to deepen that outer corner. And then to give myself a little bit more of a highlight, we're going to use Bow and Arrow from Kat Von D Beauty and placing that in the middle just to create a nice gradient effect of lipstick color. And that is literally the look, guys. And yeah, let's go back to the video. Alright guys, well this is the end of the video. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump on into the whole glam bag and just let's talk about it. Okay, so for the month of July, the Ipsy bag was pretty much geared around like swimming. And here's some items that you could use that will help out with, you know, you going out to the pool. It's very summery. Blah, 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 blah. So here's a card. So let's talk about the bag. Bag is ugly, hideous. I don't care if I'm going swimming or not. This will not be the cosmetic bag that I bring with me to the damn swimming pool, the beach, the lake. I don't care if I'm getting tipsy or not. It's gonna be in the sun. This bag is ugly. I know it's supposed to be helping with the pool and water, so like the texture is like vinyl, but I'm not too fan of the bag. So the next item, as you saw me do, I went ahead and did the exfoliator. This is Ahaha Time to Clear Facial Mud Exfoliator. It was really nice. It was really thin. It wasn't thick. The beads itself was really rough on my skin, so I would definitely recommend this type of exfoliator. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is the Khol eyeliner. I really like this eyeliner too. It went on super smooth. It blended out super well on my lid and also on the bottom of my lower lash line there. Great pencil. I never heard of Sugar before, but if they're pencils for just their eyeliners like this, I wonder how much their lips are. And then also, you know, any other products that they have, because it seems really cool. So thanks Ipsy for this one and the exfoliator. This item, I wasn't, it's black, but it has like, it's like a gray black, and it has like green little specks of glitter in it. It didn't go on well dry. It didn't really go on wet. It's really not that great. This is from OFRA, so kind of not that great of a eyeshadow there. But again, I was given two dark colors, so I'm like, how do I implement this? And then I got this color. I was like, what the hell am I gonna do with this bright ass orange color with this collection? Like, this is what? But hey, I made it work. I kind of tweaked it so that it's more skin tone friendly for me, since this is such a bright orange. Besides the color, the pigment payout, it did look orange. However, it was also like translucent on my lips when I first applied it, as you can see. So it wasn't that pigmented. But I have to say, that is it for all of the products that I received in my Ipsy bag. So you guys let me know what was your favorite product. Honestly, I really don't like this look too much. It's just not my cup of tea. However, I get like fall vibes from this thing, so I get it. It's just, you know, whatever. Yeah, so anyway guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like it, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, thanks for watching guys. I will see you at the next one. Bye. Peace. I gotta tell you, like, this wing. Look at that fucking highlight. Oh my god!